Yeah. So this is a nutshell where there's the question and the answers, and your kids will have one of this. So I'm going to be demonstrating how to do the flip method with one of my students. So let's say I have a question called this one, right? So can you tell me the answer? So you point at the question and say, can you tell me the answer to this question? Then I will flip to the next page and I'll show him. All right, can you look at the answer? And then after that, finish. Okay, you flip it back and you test him again. Okay, so now he's gotten it, then that's fine. It's okay. But so if he still forgot, all you have to do is just flip it over again and show him the answer again. So I'm showing the answer now, and then after that, about 3 or 4 seconds, then I'll turn it back and I'll show it to him. So if you forget again, just flip, show the answer, and then flip back to the question, and test the child again. That's how you do the flip method. Just sit across your child and put the nutshell in front of them, and then after that, just go through the questions one by one. If they don't know, just flip it over and show them the answer, and then after that, cover the answer and test them on the question again. They don't have to write it out, they just have to say out the answer. But for mathematics, then you have to write it out. All right? Thank you very much.